This will be a how-to on how to test a phone number where you're making a voice call, not to be confused with a text message. So you're going to come to your VT3000 homepage. You're going to be selecting our core software. From here, what we're trying to go is for our communications, which you can select over here on this left-hand menu, or you can use your icon. It's going to bring this communications page open. Destination type is going to be set to this on-site pager. What you want to do is click the down arrow. You want to select phone numbers. And this will bring up your audio phone numbers. So as you can see, I have one set here. I can select it there and I can have this use text to speech. So this is going to say, whatever I type in here. So when I hit send, now this is going to make a phone call. It's going to call John Doe's phone. It's going to say testing your phone. See something like that where it says the request is sent. Your other option is to uncheck this, and then you can actually select an audio file. So by default, all systems have this test 1, 2, 3. These are just ones that I've added, but you could select that and you can hit send, and then it's going to give you that same message here. And know now that phone should be getting that testing 1, 2, 3 message, or whatever WAV file, audio file you select. Once you're done, hit this return home, brings you back to the main page, and that will take care of this how-to on how to test a phone number. Look forward to talking to you again.